I was just a maid in a human woman's house.
Day after day, I worked endlessly, carrying burdens too heavy for me. There was no joy in my life, only chores that never ended. I longed for freedom, watching others laugh and live outside.
But instead, I was always scolded, my spirit crushed. One day, she was sent to clean the dusty attic.
That's where she discovered an old, mysterious bottle. She turned the cap, not knowing what secrets it held.
I am the magical cat genie, and I will grant you 3 wishes.
My first wish was simple. I wanted to be beautiful. Beautiful.
Golden magic swirled around her, brighter than the sun.
When the light faded, I saw a reflection I could hardly believe was mine. My second wish came from the heart. To marry my prince.
In an instant, the genie carried her to the royal palace. And there he was, the prince himself, walking toward her.
He reached out his hand, and I felt my life begin to change.
Their wedding was celebrated with joy across the kingdom.
But I still had one final wish, to live happily ever after. From that day, her life was filled with laughter and love.
And so, her store ended in happiness forever.
Subscribe for more.